This is so soft. This is a powder brush. It's wide enough to cover the entire face. This is a perfect brush for contouring, for contour powder, for bronzer. It's so precise. I think this is perfect for applying powder under the eyes and in the center of the face because it's not too big. Also for applying powder bronzer or powder blush. This is a foundation brush, but you also can use it for applying a mask or a moisturizer, also for cream products like concealer, blush, bronzer. This brush is perfect for applying powder under the eyes, around the nose, in certain areas, for cream blush. I think this brush is perfect for applying foundation. Look at this shape. I love it. Also for applying concealer under the eyes. A cream blush, a cream bronzer, I think it's so versatile. This is also perfect for applying powder under the eyes, the highlighter, also for blush or for bronzer if you want something more precise. I think this brush is perfect for applying a blush, again powder under the eyes, also for contouring. This is a dual fiber brush. These bristles are finer and here at the base are denser. This is perfect for blending foundation, for applying cream blush or bronzer, for applying a contour stick. And all these brushes are for the eyes. There are so many, I like it. This is a big blending brush. You can use it also for under the eye. I think this is perfect for concealer, also for cleaning certain areas on the face, because it's more precise, like the shape. I think this is also perfect for applying powder under the eyes, around the nose if you want something more precise. You can also use it for applying a matte ivory eyeshadow on the brow bone, also for applying highlighter. I have here 3 blending brushes. First one looks like this. This is perfect for the crease. These brushes are flat and can be used for the crease as well as for applying eyeshadow all over the eyelid. I have 3 more flat brushes here that are smaller. You can also use them to apply matte or shimmery eyeshadow on the upper eyelid. I have here more 4 blending brushes. 2 of them are medium and 2 of them are smaller. These are perfect for the crease, to apply more eyeshadows, to create density. And these 2 are perfect for contour the eye, even to apply eyeshadow on the lower eyelid or on the upper eyelid. Brow brush with a spoolie. 2 eyeliner brushes. One is ultra fine and one is angled. I have 4 small flat brushes here. This is a nice smudge brush. This brush can be used to clean up the lip contour, also to apply the lipstick. These 2 also can be used for lipstick. Also you can use all of them for applying shimmery eyeshadows or glitter. You can also use them for cream products like cream eyeshadows or liquid eyeshadows. They are so versatile. And the last one is very flat and precise. A straight detail brush that you can use for brow correction or lip correction.